President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake manyitanire na etikia a kanitha wa Gatoreki wa Rosary Ridgeway Kiambu kuhingura kanitha mweru uria riu ugukorwo uri parish kiumbe igongona-ini riria rigutongoragio ni muthikabu munene John Cardinal Joe. President akioya mweke ucio gukinyiriria bata wa bururi guthingatithia urumwe na thayo uria mambikite kuhunjia na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga.
Because we are committed to bringing our people together, to learn to respect each other, to learn to live with one another, because this is surely the only way we can drive our development agenda in this country.
Miario ya President ikinyitwo mbaru ni munini wake uria ugite ona thengia ya njetukano kwiyumiria kiama-ini kia Jubilee, kiama kiu gitire nyenyeka.
The handshake is bringing every other Kenyan into the fold so that we can together work as Kenyans for the future of our country.
President agitogeria gikundi kia atongoria atumia aria mambikite kuhunjia thayo matura-ini mothe ma bururi.
I want to congratulate some of ladies I see here wearing white who you are doing a good job. Endelea namna hiyo.
Atongoria angi hamwe nao gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui na murunawe wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu aria macokire kunyitanira na Ruto kanitha-ini wa Joy Celebrations Naivasha makinyiriria bata wa kunyita Ruto mbaru.
Leading a country has never been easy. I lead a county and I've lost half my hair.
The most important thing ni pale na wewe unajua unaelekea njia gani.
Lakini wakati wa kutenda tunatenda.
Na riri ngwatiro cia kiuteti ikoretwo ikihiuha matuko ma ica ikuhi. Fatiri wa kanitha wa Rosary akiuga kanitha ucio uri na nyumba nyingi cia gutabaniria mahoya, nake President auga niona hakuigitia.
Wakinipatia stress huko nje mimi nitakuwa nakuja hapa. Tunawachana na hii watu ya stress tunaendelea.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Makofi tena.